is Liar by Camila Cabello. Please check the link below to see the actual choreo version I did with my friend Elizabeth in my Zumba class. But this is a breakdown of the moves. The first move is a side step to a knee. So side, knee, side, knee, side, knee. That's for the verse. So verse 1, does side, knee. And again, this is the first song I do as a warm-up. It could be a second song too, but these moves are designed to warm up the body. Possibly using it at the end of your set also as a cool down could be a good idea. When the chorus kicks in, oh no, there you go, making me a liar. It's 3. You can go front, back steps, or you can make it a cumbia step if you like. I just do 3 steps, whatever you're feeling. 1, 2, 3, and then liar is a hip, boom, boom, boom. And then a switch, the other side is rather quickly. 1, 2, 3, boom, boom, boom. That's the chorus. The second part to that is when she kind of slows down her vocals, I do a side, step, back, side, step back, side, step back, side, step back. There's a little break where you hear the horns, and I do a front step, bum, 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 and a side salsa. And the music's dun, 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 dun. The first time you do that, just do 1, 2, and then we go back into those sides. Because she does her slow vocals there. Okay, there's 4 of those. That pops back into the chorus. Oh no, there you go, making me a liar. Boom, 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 boom. After that chorus goes right back into the horns. Dun, 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 dun. Side salsa. There's 4 of those. 4. Do 4 of those. At the end of the song, which might seem like the end, but it's not the end, there's a really cool horn section. I call it the dance break to the dance, so it's kind of fun to do it in class. I just do a toe touch in the beginning of it. Then we do 4 side salsas, back salsa, side salsa, front. So it looks like this. Toe touch, dun, 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 ba, ba. 4 to the side, 2, 3, 4, back. 1, 2, 3, 4, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, front. 1, 2, 3, 4, side. And this is gonna go to the end. Quick note on that front salsa. Depending on the level of your class, so you can see who needs help or who doesn't. If they need to keep it simple, I'll keep it simple here. If I feel like I'm with some people that know the song already, we'll just kind of add some more flavor to that front step, and you just swirl your hips and your arms. You just sprinkle it with your flavor. You be you, have fun with it. Again, check the link below to see me and my friend actually doing the dance to that song, but that's the breakdown and moves. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you're feeling love, feel free to leave a comment, a like, and subscribe. All right, guys, bye. See you in the next one.